Last week, Cuba Gooding Jr. settled his rape lawsuit ahead of his civil trial. This video is going to talk about a lot of sensitive topics, so if you do not want to listen to anything about rape, please click off of this video right now. In the description box, I will link some hotline numbers and some websites for you guys to use if you are facing any of these challenges that will be discussed in this video. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. So the actor Cuba Gooding Jr. has settled a lawsuit with an unnamed woman. She has not given out her name. Her name is Jane Doe, and she accused him of raping her in a New York City hotel in 2013. Now, the settlement agreement came just a few moments before the jury selection started for the federal civil trial that never occurred. And during that trial, supposedly there was supposed to be a damaging testimony against him. Now, as a bit of a background as to how this case even started, Jane Doe had alleged that in the summer of 2013, Cuba Gooding Jr. introduced himself at a local restaurant and invited her to drinks at his hotel where he was staying for the night. Jane Doe alleged that Cuba Gooding Jr. told her that he needed to change his clothes and invited her upstairs to his room, and that's when he closed the door and began to undress himself. Now, Jane Doe said that she did try to leave. However, Cuba Gooding Jr. blocked her path, and then that is when the alleged unfortunate events occurred. Now, Cuba Gooding Jr.'s lawyers responded and said that the interaction was consensual and that the allegations were completely false and defamatory. Now, in addition to Jane Doe, 30 other women have come forward and said that Cuba Gooding Jr. has committed sexual misconduct against them, including groping, unwanted kissing, and inappropriate behavior. And because of this, the judge for the trial that never happened last Tuesday, Judge Paul Crowdy, agreed to allow 3 additional women testify about what happened between them and Cuba Gooding Jr. when it came to their sudden sexual assaults. However, that never happened because the trial never occurred. Now, one of the attorneys for Jane Doe, Gloria Allred, did disclose that they were suing for $6 million worth of damages. However, after they settled, the lawyers did not say how much money they settled for. Again, this is not the first time that sexual assault allegations have happened against Cuba Gooding Jr. In April of last year, he pled guilty to a misdemeanor, admitting that he forcefully kissed a worker at a New York nightclub in 2018. However, this never went on his record, and he wasn't penalized because he stayed out of trouble and he completed 6 months of alcohol and behavior counseling. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Like and subscribe for some more Taylor Talks. And as I always say, guys, stay safe. See ya.